Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you control your financial destiny. What separates ordinary people from self-made millionaires is not luck, not inheritance, but habits. Small actions repeated daily that transform lives. These are the hidden habits that quietly build empires of wealth, while most people never notice them. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss more money lessons, success stories, and wealth-building strategies that can change your future. Habit 1. They invest before they spend. For most people, the paycheck comes in, bills get paid, and whatever is left is saved or invested, if anything remains at all. Self-made millionaires reverse this process. They pay themselves first by investing a portion of their income before spending on lifestyle. This habit ensures that money is always working for them, creating assets and building long-term wealth. It is not about how much they make, but how much they keep and grow. Habit 2. They never stop learning. Wealthy individuals treat knowledge like currency. They read books, listen to mentors, study markets, and constantly upgrade their skills. While others spend hours on entertainment, millionaires dedicate time to growth. Bill Gates is known to read 50 books a year. Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. Knowledge compounds like money. The more you learn, the smarter your decisions become, and the more wealth you create. Habit 3. They wake up early and control their time. Time is the ultimate equalizer. Everyone gets the same 24 hours a day. Self-made millionaires maximize it by waking up early and setting the tone for the day before distractions begin. Mornings are spent planning, exercising, and focusing on their most important tasks. This habit of disciplined time management allows them to achieve in one day what others spread across a week. By controlling their time, they control their future. Habit 4. They build multiple streams of income. Most people rely on a single paycheck. If that paycheck disappears, their entire financial stability collapses. Self-made millionaires refuse to depend on one source of money. They create multiple income streams, investments, side businesses, real estate, royalties, or digital assets. Even if one stream fails, the others keep flowing. This habit ensures that no setback can destroy their financial growth. Habit 5. They live below their means. Millionaires understand that looking rich is not the same as being rich. Instead of buying expensive cars and luxury items early, they live simply, save aggressively, and invest the difference. Many of the world's wealthiest people drove modest cars and lived in ordinary houses long after becoming millionaires. This habit of restraint allows them to build wealth silently while others waste money trying to impress. Habit 6. They value relationships and networks. Money flows through people, and self-made millionaires know this better than anyone. They invest time in building meaningful relationships with mentors, partners, and peers. Opportunities often come from connections, not chance. By surrounding themselves with ambitious, like-minded people, millionaires multiply their chances for success. It is often said that your network is your net worth, and they live by this principle. Habit 7. They take action. Despite uncertainty, while most people hesitate, waiting for the perfect moment, millionaires act. They understand that no opportunity comes without risk. Instead of waiting forever, they make calculated decisions, learn from mistakes, and adjust quickly. This bias toward action is what sets them apart. Success is rarely about having the perfect plan. It is about starting, adapting, and pushing forward while others remain frozen in fear. Habit 8. They set clear and written goals. Self-made millionaires do not wander through life hoping for success. They write down specific, measurable goals and review them regularly. These goals act like a compass, guiding their daily actions toward long-term achievements. While most people drift without direction, millionaires move with purpose. Habit 9. They practice financial discipline. Discipline is the backbone of wealth. Millionaires track their income, monitor expenses, and stay committed to budgets and investment plans. They resist emotional spending and avoid financial distractions. This habit of strict discipline allows them to grow steadily, no matter what challenges come their way. Habit 10. They think long-term self-made millionaires are visionaries. They do not chase quick wins or short-term gratification. Instead, they focus on the big picture, building wealth that lasts for decades, even generations. They make sacrifices today for a future most people cannot imagine. This habit of long-term thinking is the difference between temporary success and lasting financial freedom. Conclusion. These are the hidden habits of self-made millionaires. They invest before they spend, never stop learning, wake up early, and build multiple streams of income. They live below their means, value relationships, take bold action, and stay disciplined. Above all, they set clear goals and think long-term. The truth is that anyone can adopt these habits. You do not need to be born wealthy. You only need the right mindset and consistency. If you found this inspiring, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more stories, strategies, and secrets of success. And share in the comments, which of these habits will you start practicing today?